Hello everyone, today we will look at this beautiful new Mercedes AMG S63 V8 bi-turbo e-performance. This is how the key looks like. It has the beautiful AMG logo and the AMG logo in the back. New S63 AMG logo, carbon mirror caps. Hello everyone, thanks for watching litre 61. Today I'm sitting in this beautiful, aggressive Mercedes-Benz AMG S63 V8 bi-turbo e-performance. It has a whopping 802 horsepower, 1430 Nm of torque, and the price is more than 230,000 euros in the Netherlands, and 0 to 62 in just 3.3 seconds. First of all, this car has the beautiful aggressive Panamericana grille. It has the carbon exterior package, so you get the more aggressive front bumper, rear bumper with diffuser. And this car has also the dark chrome package, so all the chrome parts are finished in dark chrome. Optional, it comes with 20-inch rims, but this one has the 21-inch forged AMG wheels. Carbon ceramic brake discs, of course. The interior is amazing. The S-Class was always a very luxurious car, but this one is even nicer. It has the beautiful carbon trim finished in glossy black. It has the very comfortable seats, entertainment system in the back, huge panoramic sunroof, and I love the ambient lighting. It has the 4D Burmester sound system. Of course, it comes with the AMG steering wheel with the little displays on it. It comes with the 3D instrument cluster, beautiful head-up display with the augmented reality. I love the MBUX system with the AMG menus, and in this video I will show all the details. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like. It produces 802 horsepower, 1430 Nm of torque. It has the 4MATIC all-wheel drive system and a 400 volt electric system combined with the 9-speed automatic transmission, MCT. It has the V8 bi-turbo 4-liter engine combined with the e-performance system, as I said. Now let's take a closer look. This is the engine. It is made by one person in AMG of Alterbach, Germany, and the name is written on the engine, as you can see. Now let's take a closer look. It has the new AMG of Alterbach logo on the hood. Comes with the carbon exterior package, this one. It produces 802 horsepower. And as you can see, it has the digital headlight system. Comes with 20-inch rims as standard, but these are the 21-inch forged AMG rims. You have the camera for the 360 camera system. There's the Mercedes logo with the Distronic Plus radar behind it. Heated as well. Lovely AMG logo. Panamericana grille. This car has also the dark chrome finish. Very aggressive, very powerful. The same engine as the GT63 SE Performance. The headlights are very clever. Automatic high beam. It can project pedestrian crossings. I love the blue details. Lovely daytime running lights. Digital light logo. And of course, there's also the carbon intakes. Beautiful. Just beautiful. More than 1400 Newton meters of torque. I love these wheels. It has the carbon ceramic brake disc system. The tires come with the Pilot Sport 4S. V8 bi-turbo performance logo. Carbon mirror, camera underneath the mirror. All the chrome details are finished in black to give it that more aggressive stance. The tires in the back 285 35 21 inch, and it has the rear wheel steering. At the back you have the carbon diffuser, new red details in the S63 logo, new exhaust tips, dark chrome finish. Amazing. Automatic trunk comes as standard. You can put things, handbags on that. 0 to 62 in just 3.3 seconds. It has a V8 bi-turbo logo, 4 liter, and it has the dynamic turn signals. These are the LED tail lights, they look gorgeous. This AMG has also the 4D Burmester sound system. Lovely ambient lighting with the multimedia system, panoramic sunroof, cushions in the back, massaging seats, cooling seats in the back. You can see the nice details for the 4D Burmester sound system. Heating, cooling is active. Lovely 3D ambient lighting. I can control every part. Of this car. I love the carbon details. Four-zone climate control. Beautiful interior. Just take a look at the carbon package, the tweeters with the ambient lighting, the new type steering wheel. Of course, over here you have the details for the 4D Burmester sound system. Leather wrapped details. I love this speaker over here. Storage area with a charger for your phone. Tablet place. You can sit easily with 3 persons in the back. of course, climate control adjustments. Even this is automatic. Screens. You can control everything with this. AMG menus. Car, engine, IVC clock and more. Plenty of space. I love the space over here. It has also the soft close system, illuminated door handles, lovely detail, headlight unit, heating, cooling, and even you can control even the passenger seat. I love the AMG logos over here, 3D, beautiful detail. The seats are very comfortable, love the design. It has also the carbon side skirt, illuminated door sill, soft close. Even this is Alcantara, as you can see. And this is the interior of the S63 AMG. 3D instrument panel with different views, which I will show in a minute. What I really like is the steering wheel, flat bottom design with the AMG logo. What a gorgeous interior. .3D ambient lighting, adjustable headrest, lovely AMG logo, perforated seats, available with different colors, storage area with connectivities and a charging point with little Mercedes logos. That's also very cool. Over here you have cup holders, another charging point for your phone, connectivity areas. It has the hand gesture system. This is the main menu. Being an AMG, you have the track pace menu, performance menu and more. You can also charge the car up. As you can see, you can drive fully electric if you want, just like the GT63. There's a slippery mode, individual, battery hold, electric, Sport Plus and Comfort. I will leave it in Sport Plus. You can adjust the suspension, engine and the dynamics. What I also really like is this display. You can see everything on this. The engine, the torque, the power, everything what you want. What I also like, you have the gesture control, so you can control the panoramic sunroof with a gesture. Very nice. I love the Alcantara headliner. Over here you have the different displays, classic, super sport. This is special for the S63. Track pace, sport, map, assistance. Of course it has the augmented reality system, the head-up display with 3D views, very nice. Every possible detail is displayed on the screen. Fully adjustable again, head-up display of course. What I also really like is the steering wheel with the displays. You can adjust the dynamics of the car by pressing these buttons or rotating the button. Of course the adaptive cruise control settings are on the steering wheel. You can set up the distance. Over here you have the volume adjustments. With this you can control the MBUX. With this you can control the screen. Full leather design. Very special car indeed. And this camera system, I mean, this is the best in my opinion. The quality is very, very good. Automatic mode, you can also zoom in, zoom out like this, so you don't curb the view. It has the park pilot, so you don't have to park the car, it will do it automatically. Aircon, of course the ambient lighting. Red for sport. This is red. As you can see, it looks amazing. Very nice. But I like blue. You can also turn it off. It has the massaging system, mobilizing massage. There are 9 massage settings. Dynamic seats are available, so in corners it will keep you in place. Very, very nice indeed. This is the main menu of the car. Push button ignition with keyless entry and keyless go, of course. Huge head-up display setting. Sport pedals. And every part is finished in leather, carbon, Alcantara. Very nice. Even this is in leather, as I said. It looks amazing.